This is Becky Schultz reporting from Hyundai Construction Equipment America's headquarters. I'm here speaking with Chad Parker, Senior Product Specialist, who is going to tell us a little bit about the specialized heavy-duty configurations available now on specific Hyundai wheel loaders.
We're going to talk about the features and benefits of the external guarding package for the Hyundai 960 HD HD, and then we have a 960 HD XT, which basically means extended boom arms. There's 12 points of guarding on the HL 960 HD. First, we have the rear windshield guard, and the rear windshield guard is intended for flying debris. We have a rear grille and cooling system guard. So basically the benefit of this is, as you're looking at the guard frame, it's a swing out frame, very rigid, heavy duty. It's got a rear camera guard, so we continue to keep a safety feature intact in the event of material or debris that would collide or damage the rear radiator guard. Then we add more little taillight guards that are bolted on. The nice features about those is to, in the event that there's a vulnerable area, it's bumper, it's going to get hit. But not only can you replace the taillights, but you can also replace that guard too because they're bolt on. So, which is a really nice feature, and it shows advancement. I think on design, it's not cheaply built or weld on. And then we will want to roll down and move to axle seal guards. Axle seal guards are really good because they basically sit on the inside of the hub of the wheel, and they protect the outboard brake and planetary section from getting wrapped up with anything from plastic to wires, steel straps that as you're walking getting tangled up in. The seal guard helps protect anything from binding that off and popping off that wheel hub. Then you have your natural engine transmission belly guards and your front and rear chassis belly guards. That's also to protect anything from lumber or scrap pieces or that gets up underneath the wheel systems and prevents damaging from the drive lines, getting into the hose section in the front chassis, and then in the rear chassis, anything that's going to protect the bottom side of the transmission or getting into the engine oil pan. The nice part about the HL 960 HD and the XT is we have the 970 axles. So basically 2 sizes up, but heavier duty because it's meant for severe load. Then we have the LED light lamp guard that gives just a high density of luminance that you need, especially in early morning applications where it can get dark, or in fog situations. You still need to be able to penetrate the elements so the operator can see. So it's a good safety feature. We have a bucket cylinder rod guard, and that's basically used to help protect falling objects for falling on the rod cylinder and protect it from getting bent. Then we have steel springs. There are on the steel springs on the hydraulic hoses protector. What that does is gives you some protection as far as the outside, but what it really does is help prevent the hoses from getting crimped and cramped from material that may got caught up into falling in those vulnerable areas. Then we'll move to the final feature, which is back up on the cabin area, is a hinged front windshield guard. Very heavy duty and rigid, but it's also hinged so that you can unbolt it, pull it wide out, and you can clean up material, clean off the windshield, or replace the windshield if you do need to as well. Some other unique features we have on the HD are in the Z-lever bar section, both on the torque tube, which is what houses the Z-lever bar. The Z-lever bar itself, the knuckles on the steering cylinders are all casted steel. Casted steel is very, very strong, and it's designed to be able to take a 360 degree of impact force. So in those vulnerable high impact areas, we put casted steel.